Great to sit these two together. The uptake and downtake.
Hey, what's up, Eat Me Travel You viewers? It's Mike, Jackie, and JM. Welcome to our channel. We have stayed in over 80 plus hotels in the Philippines and abroad. We share hotel stay reviews, restaurant food reviews, and tips for your next staycation or vacation tours.
Novotel Suites in Accra private residences. Yeah, the door is so hard to open. So this is a one bedroom suite with bathtub. There's a full kitchen. There's the Samsung ref with just nothing on it. And there's the full kitchen. There's the microwave. There's a coffee machine and coffee capsules. There's the powder room. Powder room, John. And the toilet. We're heading to the living room with a table and the welcome snacks over there. Huge sofa bed with the smart TV where you can watch YouTube only if you sign in. This is my Novotel Suites. There's the work this area. John can use his laptop. Was the window where you can see the passing river with the view of the pool and the private residences. Okay, now let's head on over to the bedroom. There's cabinets again over there. There's cabinet number two with the vault and the slippers. That is laundry basket. Also the robe and the ironing board. Here's the, I think that's a king size bed, John. I think so. A smart clock with the sofa bed. Okay, John will sleep on that. Smart clock. And then there's the master bathroom with these amenities by Accor. So if you're a member of Accor Plus, you get the discounted rate. Just head on over to the link in the description. There's the bathtub and the overhead shower. And of course, the toiletry. Again, this is by Novotel, part of the Accor Plus brands. And I hope you enjoyed our video and see you in the next one.